Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and welcome to MSha. Today we are going to introduce the input control, which will control the data of our dashboard. And for this, as you know, we have created the line chart. If you don't know how to create the line chart, to get back to my previous video, which relate to the creation of line chart. So in this video we will apply some input control on the data of this chart, or later we will also use this input control to control or to display our required or favorite data for our dashboard. So now let's introduce, or let's insert input control of date. Here the third button after insert chart is called input control. Let's click on this. Here it is. Now it's asking for dimension, account, and current, previous, next, and so on. So for our as we are in the initial stage of input control, so let's go to the dimension and then go to the date and then select the filter by range. So here asking the SAP that either it is dynamic input control or either it is fixed control. At initial stage we are now using the fixed control option. Here it's showing the above that hierarchy: year, half year, month, year, half year, quarter, month, and year, month, and after that year, quarter, month. If I select year, quarter, month, and then I select quarter, so our data will be show with respect to quarter. Now I select the button OK. For the sake of display, we have to increase its size. Here it is. Now we have input control of date, and let's check it out. If we move to 2015, our chart is now showing the data of 2015 and 2016, and if we want to show only the data of 2015, so I restrict it to 2015, and all the three products are showing respectively. And if I want to show the data of 2014 and 2015, we will have the both years data like this. So hope you like this video, and if you hope you learned something new regarding the dashboard. If you like this video, do click on the like button, and if you are new to my channel, do subscribe my channel so that you can view my new upcoming videos. Let's meet into another new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.